Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram region country. So for that, all you need to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, get into your Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram application. It is important because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the application. Now, what you need to do is basically get onto your Instagram application and log it in and make sure that you have a business account. That means that you do not have any private account. So once it is your business account, all you need to do is get into the edit profile. So to edit the profile, all you need to do is tap on it, go into your profile page by tapping at the right bottom corner and get into your profile, edit profile, and then down below what you need to do is profile display. Afterwards, you need to contact options. In the content options, you need to show or you need to have that business email, your phone number, and your WhatsApp contact. Along with it, what you can also have is in some country or regions, there is an option for business address. Down in the business address, you can always reside the address of any other country by which it would be shown as your default country or region, or in that way you can change Instagram region or country. So I hope this video was informative. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. So till next time, peace, take care.